Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be revealing to you guys the website that works like Canva. Yeah, it's a website that works like Canva. We are going to be making use of this website to do a quick design. I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about this website. And at the end of this tutorial guys, please, I would love your feedback in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this website. Do you prefer it to Canva, or you prefer Canva to this website, or would you like to use the both websites when doing your design? So let's get into the tutorial guys. Alright guys, so the name of this website is the Text Studio. Remember guys, in the last tutorial we did how to create 3D text effect without making use of your Photopea application or making use of your Photoshop software. Remember guys, we made use of this website, textstudio.com. It is that same website. Meanwhile, if you've not watched that video, please do well to watch that video. I'm going to place the link below this video description, so do well to watch that video, how to create 3D text effect without making use of Photoshop or Photopea application. So guys, it's the same website we're going to be using, the Text Studio website. So you click on it and then it's going to take you to this place. Now if you have watched the last video, it simply means that you've created an account already, and if you have not, please do well to create an account. Now the next thing you are going to do, at the top here you are going to see these three icons. All right, so you click on the three icons. Now you are going to see studio guys, so you click on studio. Now once you click on studio, it's going to load and it's going to take you to the next section guys. Studio. Now guys, look at this. This is amazing. This is amazing. You can size your design. All right, this is a perfect square, 1280 by 1280. This is A4. You can see guys, this A4 size, this business card, this desktop wallpaper, this Facebook post. If you want to create a post for your Facebook, this Facebook cover. If you want a Facebook cover for your profile, this Instagram post. If you want to make Instagram post, social media ads, you can make use of this size guys. I want to say something also. If you don't know the sizes of whatever you are doing or what you want to do, this is a great website because it helps you to know the size, just help you to pick the size. Also, this is available in Canva. So what I want to show you guys today, I want us to compare and contrast. If you are good with Canva, if you're familiar with Canva, I want you to check out this website and let me know what you think about this website, if you love this website more compared to Canva. Now guys, if you want to make a t-shirt design, this is what you need to click, and you can see YouTube thumbnail is here, but I'm going to just click the standard. I'll just click the standard, so it's going to give us a perfect square. Now guys, if you want to name this project, at the top here you can see project name. You click on it and let's name this project Mac. Let's just name this project Mac. Now once you type the word Mac, it's going to be named automatically, and then you have something like this. Now guys, if you want to change the background of this space, you can click this background here, click on this color here. You are going to pick any color you want, and that is done. Now coming down to the icons below guys, you can see templates. If you want to pick templates, you click on templates, and then you have a lot of templates that you can make use of, running down from popular to new. You can click on new, it's going to filter to new. You can see this guys, you can see templates that you can use here. Templates you can use, amazing templates guys. Now you can click popular and you can search whatever design you want to search. So let's say that you want to do a restaurant flyer. So let's click on a restaurant flyer and let's see what is going to pop up. Now guys, you can see a lot of restaurant flyer, but the issue with this site is that it does not filter accurately. Now, but you can see designs, all right, restaurant flyer designs that you can pick from. I'm just going to click one. Let's click these guys. So once you click this, you see it's loading, and then it's going to pop up the design. Now you can edit the design just the same way you edit on the Canva application or the Canva website. Now you can see I'm going to click on this food. you can see that the food is selected. I'm going to click on this pizza. You can see that's selected. I'm going to click on this text. Guys, once you click on text, look at this. I'm going to click on this food text now, guys. You can see this, guys. At the top here, you're going to see the font. You can click down. And I love this website because it has a lot of amazing fonts. A lot of amazing fonts, guys. You can see this font is popping extra. You can choose any other font and it's going to take effect. And once you click on the font, you can decide to increase the size. You can see this is minus, this is 15, and this is plus. So you can decide to increase the size. If you want to duplicate, this is the where you can increase the size of the text. If you want to duplicate any text, you can click on this plus icon here and you will be able to duplicate. And if you want to delete any text, you click on the delete here and you'll be able to delete the text. Now, beautiful thing about this website is that just like Pixellab or Canva, it has the layer section where you can make layer invisible, you can lock layer, you can delete, stuff like that. Now I'm going to come to that. Now look at the text here. When you click on this letter A text, if you want to change this font, maybe you don't like this font and you want to change the font of this text, maybe this text for this Anton regular text used for these drinks, you want to change it, you don't like the font, you click on this text at the bottom here. Now you're going to see adding simple text. This is adding simple text. So once you click on it, you can start writing your text. All you need to do is to double click inside, and then you delete, and then you start writing your text. You delete, you start writing whatever text you want to write. All right, and then you are good to go. But guys, another thing is that if you want 3D, if you want to have 3D on your text, what you need to do is to click on text and then you pick whichever 3D you want on this design. If you want 3D to be on your design, you click on your text, you pick whichever 3D you want, you just scroll through, check it out, any 3D you feel like. Let's just pick this yes 3D. Guys, look at it. You can see that this yes 3D text is here on our screen. Can you see this, guys? And if you want to edit this yes, if you want to write something else, you just double click inside of the box. You double click inside and then you write whatever you want to write. So let's write pizza. All right, let's just write pizza. All right, and then we click out. Guys, can you see this? The pizza is already on your design. Can you see this, guys? You have the pizza on your design and you can edit other things here. You can see this, guys. You can make this bold. You click on bold here, letter B here. It's going to make the pizza bold. So you click on letter B. All right, but it's not having effect now because it's a 3D. Now let's do that for normal text. All right, let's do that for normal text. So we click on this pizza and then we click on the letter B. You can see the pizza is bold and then we can click out and then we can add stroke. All right, so this is where you add stroke. Whatever stroke you want to have on your design, you can add stroke to it and you are good to go. And you can let's check out the other functions. You can see this letter T. You can shadow, you can add shadow. All right, let's click on the black shadow. All right, a very dark shadow. So let's, guys, can you see this? You can have shadow behind the pizza. You can have shadow. You can increase the distance of the shadow and you can increase the blurriness of the shadow. You can also reduce the opacity, just like Pixellab, that you can reduce opacity of shadow. You can also reduce the opacity of this shadow in this design, and you can rotate the text. Look at this letter A, you click on it, and then if you want to curve the text, if you want to curve it, can you see this, guys? You can curve, and then there's other functions here. All right, other functions that you can use pertaining to text. If you want to make it all capital letter or all small letter, you make use of this. If you want a line spacing, you make use of this. All right, guys, so a lot of things that you can do here, and these are other functions also to rotate, left alignment, center alignment, and a lot, guys. Now coming down to this place, coming down to elements. Now once you click on elements, you'll be able to access the elements. Maybe you want to create a cycle shape, you click on cycle, which is this. If you want to create a square shape, you can click on this. You can click on different shapes here. You can see this is square shape, you click on this square shape. This cycle, you click on cycle shape, guys. A lot of amazing shapes here. And maybe you want to, this is also a lens flare. This is a lens flare, but it's a white lens flare that you can make use of on this particular design. If you want to bring in any shape, you can just click on it and it's going to load on your design and you can make use of it and you can edit it. Guys, can you see this? You can see this. So if you want to make use of this, you can just add it here and you can always manipulate it from this top here. So that is for this. Now I'm just going to delete this. The next thing you want to do is to click on photos. If you want to maybe upload a photo and you want to pick photos from the gallery of this text studio, you can click on photos and you just pick any photo that you want and you make use of it for the design, guys. So before we are done, I'm just going to show us something very quick. So guys, also if you want to upload photos, you click on upload a photo here at the top. So once you click on upload a photo, it's going to take it to your gallery, guys, and you can be able to upload photos that you want to make use of. Maybe you want to make use of a background you downloaded, you want to do something different, you can just click on photos and you'll be able to do what you want to do, guys. You'll be able to do what you want to do. So a lot of amazing features are on this site, but I'm going to leave it for you guys to decide if you prefer this than the Canva application, or you prefer Canva application than these, guys. Now the next thing I just want to show you guys, I'm going to just close this photo gallery. The next thing I want to show you guys is uploads. So you click on uploads. It's going to bring you here any icon or any image or whatever you've uploaded on this text studio will always reflect here. It will always reflect here, and if you want anyone to show on your design, you just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to reflect on your design. That is for upload. Now coming down to projects. Now if we are done with the design, when we are done with this design, all right, we are done with this design, it is saving automatically. So when you click on project, anything you work on is going to save there. Now when you come to layers, you click on layers. Every text you have on this design is in the layers, guys. Can you see this? This is the pizza, the pizza design. We are still on the pizza design. Every single text used for this pizza design is on this layer icon. If you want to move anyone to front, if you want to move to back, if you want to delete, if you want to make invisible, you make use of the layer function. And any image you import from your gallery is going to reflect also in the layer function, guys. So guys, can you see this? These are some of the few projects while test running the application. All right, you can see these are some of the things I've worked on and they saved here. Now I'm going to click one for you guys. Guys, can you see this? Guys, can you see this? A quick one before we move on, guys. The website is not slow. I'm having a network connection issue, not the website. All right. Now, can you see this, guys? I did this here, and if you guys are familiar with my tutorial, I did the Mabel birthday flag design. You can see I just decided to do a rough sketch again. Can you see this here, guys? So this particular background, I got this particular background from this website. You just click on photos and then I scrolled down, just kept on scrolling down until I got this particular background. And then this text, I got this text from this same website, guys. You can see this on my layers. You can see, guys, this text I got it from this same place. I did not go to pick it from any other place. You can see the only thing I added on this design is the image of the lady and then this star icon. And if you want access to this star icon, you can check my previous tutorial. All right, so that's the only thing I got. You can see the image. I brought in the image from my gallery. I placed it here just to write happy birthday, and then the happy birthday text, you can see the font. This is the font, you can see, guys, I made use of. And another amazing thing about this is that if you want to choose a font and maybe you want to do a wedding design and you want to choose a font that speaks about wedding, you want to write the names of the couple and you want to choose a font that speaks about wedding, you don't want to start scrolling and all that, you click on popular, you are going to see a lot of tags. You see new, random, my favorite, you will see a lot of tags. So you just look for whatever you're looking for. For me, I'll just click on wedding. Now once I click on wedding, it's going to stream stream the search. All right, it's going to I'll click on wedding now and we're going to see. Can you see this, guys? Now the only font it's bringing out here are the stylish fonts. Can you see this, guys? So it's helping me to just go straight to what I want, pick what I want straight. Can you see this, guys? Amazing font. There are amazing fonts in this website. Can you see this? And you just bring your image here. And once you are done and you make sure you save the project as Mabel, or you save whatever you want to save project as, it's going to save in the project gallery. Now you can always resize your design. Maybe you are done and you want to resize. You click on canvas, guys, and then you can see a lot of sizes here that you can choose from. You click on canvas, but the only thing is that if you want to do a custom size, you have to subscribe to the premium version. But then this is an amazing website that you will love to check out, guys. An amazing website. This Mabel, I just did a gradient. All right, that was just all I did. Can you see this, guys? I made use of a gradient, and that was all I did for this particular design. And that is all you guys need to know. If you made a mistake and you want to go back, you can always click the back button and it's going to take you back and all that. And when you want to save, you click on this download button here, you click on the download icon here. You can save as transparent PNG, and you can't increase the size. It has a default size, but the size is pretty much okay. Yeah, you click on, if you want to save as JPEG, you click on JPEG, and if you want to save as PDF, you click on PDF, and you click on download, and it's going to download right into your gallery. Now, one last thing, guys, amazing thing, two things. If you want to, maybe you want a big broader landscape, you can click on this this full screen here. You click on this full screen here. It's going to give you a more clearer landscape, something like this. All right, when you click on full screen. All right, quick one. If you want to add a barcode, if you want to add a link to your design such that you want people to be able to scan the link, so that when they scan the link, or they scan the barcode, it will take them directly to the link. You click on this QR code. Look at the bottom, the last icon here. You click on QR code. Can you see this, guys? Now it's going to ask you to import any website link that you want to import. Enter an URL, and then a QR code will be automatically generated to include it in your design. So once I click on type QR code and I just choose any link I want to, and then I choose insert QR code, it will automatically generate a QR code for me. Can you see this, guys? You can see that the link is also revealing itself here, such that when anyone scans this QR code on your design, it will take them directly to that link that you inserted, and which is pretty much amazing. Alright, guys, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next tutorial. This is the Creator's Lodge, and please do well to like this video, do well to subscribe if you haven't, and comment in the comment section what you think about this video. Until next time, guys.